Oh, what a view from up here!
You get down here right in this moment, Wiggles. You, Peeping Tom, you come down right this minute.
Oh, make me!
Listen, I got pebbles and bits in the kitchen. You come down, I'll give you something nice to eat.
Hey, what's going on over here?
My dog went up that tree and he refuses to come down. Talk some sense into him, will ya?
Oh, I don't rescue dogs. I only rescue cats up a tree.
Yeah, but this is a dumb dog.
Oh, hey, you! Come on down. Oh, I don't want to come down. I like it up here. Hey, you're going to come down right this instant. I am afraid to come up that tree. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, hey, oh, get off my back. Oh, the aching back.
Wahoo! Wahoo! He's down. All right. Now we can go inside and eat pickles and bits. Coming, Wiggles, coming.
Oh, you should see. I can see inside everybody's house. Ooh, oh, those nice T-bone steaks. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Wiggles and bits are better. Let's go. Come on.
Okay,
Come
I'm
on.
coming.